everyone, this is Ami here, and today I am going to talk about the Modernized Android Enrollment workflow, which is also going to replace the existing user interface. As we already know, Maas360 supports various enrollment methods that allow us to enroll multiple Android devices. With a multitude of methods at our disposal, including zero-touch enrollment, Knox Mobile Enrollment, and QR code enrollment, our user faces a daunting array of choices. So, to overcome this, we have categorized other enrollment options based on platforms for better organization. We have consolidated all Android enrollment methods into a single user-friendly wizard for a seamless experience here. Now, let's explore the wizard and create a QR code enrollment request. Unlike the previous version, where all the options were crammed onto a single page, now we have categorized it to a respective information tab. So this is the new UI where user can choose different enrollment mode. Here, we can also choose the device ownership either as corporate on or corporate shared. If admin wants to perform userless enrollment, then he has to select corporate shared and enable this userless enrollment toggle button. Here, we can see shared secret key is generated, which will take care of authentication while enrollment. Now, in case if user wants to enroll the device with user detail, then we will select this device ownership as corporate on. Here we have categorized them into user details, additional details and Wi-Fi details with the flexibility to toggle between pages using next and back button, and here we can see sidebar as well. So after filling this out, let's move on to the next section, that is user detail tab. This section allows users to input all relevant information related to the user. Now let's click on to next to move on additional details section. Here we have introduced device custom attributes for all enrollment methods configured by admins in device attributes under the device tab. Configured attributes can be selected when creating the enrollment request also. Here a notable enhancement is the partial search that is for Locale and TimeZone. It makes significantly easier to select from a list of hundreds of options. We also support for up to 10 additional attribute key and value pairs. And finally, we have this Wi-Fi settings. So here user can input all the information related to Wi-Fi settings. Once the enrollment request is created, the QR code is displayed on the screen for scanning, or we can also download it and pass on to the end user. Now let's dive into the KMA type enrollment. So from here we will select Knox Mobile Enrollment as Android Enrollment Mode option, and after creating the request, the DPC extra JSON is displayed here. In contrast to the previous flow which required a separate downloading and formatting of this JSON, here in this new UI provided a preview of the JSON in a very convenient code snippet. User can copy it directly or download it for the use in Knox portal as well. Here, if any user wants to configure this JSON in Knox Mobile Enrollment portal, then user can directly click to this Open Knox Mobile Enrollment portal button that will redirect user to the KMA portal. So these are all the improvements we have done in the modern Android enrollment workflow. Thank you.